Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili noodles with rice paper. First, gather your essential ingredients, including rice paper, your favorite noodles, and a good quality chili oil. Next, prepare fresh vegetables like crisp carrots, cool cucumbers, and aromatic herbs. Finally, ensure you have a selection of sauces ready to create a rich and complex flavor profile for your delicious rolls. Now, let's prepare the main components. Cook your preferred noodles according to the package instructions, aiming for an al dente texture. While the noodles cook, soften your rice paper sheets by dipping them in warm water for approximately 15 to 20 seconds until pliable. Then, slice all your prepared vegetables into thin, uniform strips, making them perfect for easy and neat rolling. With your ingredients ready, it's time to assemble. Lay a softened rice paper sheet flat on a clean, slightly damp surface. Next, arrange a small portion of your cooked noodles and sliced vegetables in the center of the sheet. Carefully fold the sides inward over the filling, then roll the entire sheet tightly from the bottom up, creating a neat, secure roll. Finally, let's create the perfect dipping sauce. Whisk together some chili oil, soy sauce, and a touch of rice vinegar for a balanced flavor. Garnish your beautifully rolled chili noodle creations with fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for an extra touch. These are perfect for a quick meal or entertaining. For leak-proof containers and other great deals, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade chili noodle rolls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.